Now I'm going to show you how to fit one of these 240 volt female external sockets to my T4. You can put them more or less anywhere really where you want, but there's a little screw that retains that in there. I'm just showing you the internal part of it, and obviously then you connect your flex up to the live, neutral and earth coming in, and obviously your flex comes in and you retain that within there so it stops it slipping out. That's obviously the rear of it. Put that back on. So there's a small screw that retains that there. I've determined I want it near the rear light, and I've measured from here to about 23 centimetres to the centre, because it's going to go in there. You see where the vent is, near the bumper at the bottom there, just at the bottom there. Well, I want it somewhere sort of here. So first of all, mark that sort of centre, and then what I shall do is just plonk that on there, and then get a pen or a pencil and mark around the octagonal part of that plastic onto the bodywork, just to mark that up. Right, as you can see there, I've marked around there with a pencil. Stage, you can either use a jigsaw, but it might be difficult with a jigsaw because I've got timber on the inside. Unless the blade's long enough or metal, it's going to clash with the timber on the inside. So I've got a 1mm disc on there on my cordless angle grinder. Obviously I wear safety glasses as well. Covered up the bumper there because I don't want that damaged, so I'm just going to show you briefly like that to the line. Anyway, you get the gist of it, so just keep cutting around. Don't go too mad like I've done there. I mean, it won't matter too much because I'm going to put sealant around there anyway to seal all that. It's not brilliantly accurate, but as I said, I've got to the corners there. You can finish off with one of these. If you like, let's see. Just to finish off the corner parts that haven't met up with the angle grinder. Right, that's through now. You can see behind it, that's all my insulation. See on there? And if I'd have gone with the thingy, it might have hit the timber the other side with the jigsaw. So that's why I've done the angle grinder. Let's see if it fits in. Right, well it's going to want a little bit of grinding off, see? That's not too bad, just a fraction here and there. So I'll get my angle grinder on it and just go over some of them corners. And then that'll push in there. So you can either trim up, I've put an old disc on there, one that's used, so it's down to like very small, so you could sort of trim it up around the edge, or just use a standard sharp file. I just keep offering this up like that, and then just seeing what little bit needs a fraction shaved off of it, that's all. Okay, I persevered with the file. As you can see, the corners are slightly rounded where the scratching was obviously the bits that I need to file down, but it's quite a nice tight fit now. Let's see, not too bad, is it? Next job is just to cut through the polystyrene. So just go around roughly. Like that. What I've done now, see the auger bit in my drill? I drilled through one corner like that, as you can see, and then I've got a keyhole saw or a plasterboard saw, and then I'm just going, if you can see that, I mean it's not easy because I've put the wood all, I've done it sort of the wrong way round really. If I'd have thought about this before, would have done all this before the insulation, but hard luck's done now. So then I'm going to just cut round like that all the way around with the saw. Right, we're through, as you can see there. Come round, there you go, it's in like that. Then on the corner of these, all you got to do then is do a little small drill hole there, one there, one there, one there, through the steel. Little self-tapping screws, preferably stainless steel if you can get them, and then you just screw that on there, and it's got a bit of a seal, see there, like a rubber seal. I mean if you want it to go over the top you could put some mastic around, you know, like some other sealant, but just here I'm going to go around with some anti-corrosive primer, just stop that rusting up that edge.